We've had 8 days of Committee of Supply debate. That's 52 hours just to whiz by. But if you missed the major announcement, here's a quick rundown. Who said those who earn relatively more don't need to be protected? No one. That's why from April 2019, professionals, managers and executives who earn more than $4,500 will be covered under the Employment Act. They aren't now. Being covered means they can, for example, legally seek redress for wrongful dismissal. This doesn't include public servants, domestic workers and seafarers who are covered in other ways. The cost of medical treatment can be a big worry, and many people get insurance to give them cover. But from April 1st, 2019, you need to know that zero payment coverage in new Integrated Shield Plan riders won't be available, and new policyholders will have to pay at least 5% of their bill. This is to prevent patients from going for needlessly expensive treatment and to prevent doctors from recommending these treatments. Insurers will need to have a cap for the co-payment and are thinking of $3,000 right now. Still on healthcare, in the future, you may not have to travel so far to get to a polyclinic. 6 to 8 more polyclinics will be built. If you live in Nee Central or Tampines North, you will have a new polyclinic by 2023. The rest are expected by 2030. Applying for a HDB flat with a partner is Singaporeans' way of saying, "Will you marry me?" And things will get easier for those who are ready to get that flat while doing their NS or studying full-time. If you've just finished your studies or NS, this applies to you as well. From May this year, you can show proof of income to get loans and grants later, to just before you collect your keys. HDB says this could help you get your flat earlier. A divorced couple previously had to wait 3 years before they could each buy their own subsidized flat, but now they don't have to wait anymore. This is to help divorcees provide a better environment for their children and to ease their difficulties. So you've worked your whole life, or at least it feels like it. You've just turned 55 and you're waiting for your CPF lump sum withdrawal. You had to wait 5 working days for the money to show up in your account, but not anymore. From March 26, you can receive the amount on the day itself through PayNow. PayNow is a fund transfer service that allows you to receive money through your mobile phone number or IC number instead of your account number. You may think that pavements, grass patches and even drains are parking spots for shared bicycles, but they're not. Now, you will have to scan a QR code at the actual parking area to show that you've parked your bike properly. Those who keep leaving their bicycles lying around will be temporarily banned, and you may be charged the whole time your bicycle is not back at the right place. It would be like forgetting to tap your EZ-Link card when you leave a bus, but worse. And for those who don't rent shared bicycles but have your own e-scooter, you'll soon have to register your ride thanks to people who have been riding recklessly. Authorities say that e-scooters need to be registered from later this year and they have to fit specific dimensions. You can't run away from it. You will need to paste identification stickers somewhere obvious. Do you want to know more? Go to channelnewsasia.com. Do you know they even mentioned stray cats and Milo dinosaurs during the debates? You want to watch that?